ClarifAI versus ClarifAI Edge, which AI tool is better for edge devices? If you're looking for an AI solution that can run on your edge devices efficiently, this comparison will help you decide. But stick around, because I'll also show you a surprise alternative at the end that may just beat both of them. Let's dive right in. First off, ClarifAI is well known for its comprehensive suite of AI tools that offer a range of capabilities from image and video recognition to natural language processing. It's cloud-based, meaning it's designed to run on servers and offers massive scalability for large operations. However, when it comes to edge devices, this can create latency and bandwidth issues because it relies on a cloud to process data. Now, the second tool, ClarifAI Edge, is the company's dedicated solution for edge computing. It's designed to bring the power of AI directly to your devices without needing to send data back and forth to the cloud. This can result in faster, more efficient processing, especially for real-time applications like facial recognition or object detection in remote areas with limited internet connectivity. Next, let's talk about performance. ClarifAI, with its cloud infrastructure, typically offers higher accuracy because it has access to more computational power and up-to-date models. However, with ClarifAI Edge, you're working with a more localized setup. The accuracy may suffer slightly due to the constraints of the edge device's processing power. You're essentially trading off some degree of accuracy for speed and efficiency. The fourth thing to consider is the cost. Since ClarifAI is cloud-based, you're looking at ongoing subscription fees that increase with usage. On the other hand, ClarifAI Edge, while it may have a higher upfront cost for deploying on edge devices, can save you money in the long run, especially if you have multiple devices or large-scale deployments, because you won't be racking up cloud processing fees. Next, let's address integration and ease of use. ClarifAI offers a rich set of APIs and pre-built integrations with popular platforms, making it a solid choice if you need a scalable solution for cloud applications. It also provides a drag-and-drop interface for those who prefer a more user-friendly setup. But with ClarifAI Edge, the setup can be a little more complex, requiring you to get hands-on with device management and configuration. However, if you're familiar with edge computing, the flexibility it offers for customizing the AI model on device might be worth it. Now, let's talk about scalability. ClarifAI, with its cloud infrastructure, scales easily. You can deploy it across various devices and regions without worrying about individual hardware limitations. In contrast, with ClarifAI Edge, scalability is more about how well your devices can handle the model's requirements. If you have a lot of devices, this could quickly become a management challenge, especially when scaling AI models across a wide range of edge devices. But here's the kicker. Both tools have their strengths, but if you're looking for a more seamless, cost-effective alternative for edge computing, there's another solution I tried out that outperforms both in certain areas. It offers faster processing, lower costs, and more flexibility without sacrificing accuracy. I've linked it in the description below, where you can get exclusive access to a free trial that's only available to viewers like you. In conclusion, both ClarifAI and ClarifAI Edge are powerful AI tools that serve different needs. ClarifAI is excellent for cloud-based applications where accuracy and scalability are critical, while ClarifAI Edge is better suited for real-time applications where speed and efficiency are essential. However, after testing them both myself, I recommend checking out the alternative I mentioned earlier. With the link in the description, you'll get the best trial available, and I guarantee it's worth your time if you want a better solution for edge devices. Make sure to check it out and let me know your thoughts in the comments.